heals everything.
Welcome to Hong Kong.
We are currently here in Hong Kong at kami ay naghahanap na ng hotel na pag-stayan namin. Hi team, how are you feeling right now?
Masakatan tiyan. Lahat tayo masakatan tiyan.
How about you, Thea Bells?
Iced tea.
What can you say about the surroundings, the sceneries? Ay, supladang artista natin dito.
The thought.
The thought that counts.
I want to ride that bus. That two-story.
Two-story bus? What do you mean two-story? Two stories?
Yeah.
What?
The first story and the second story.
Second
Does it
story.
have an
Elevator.
Really?
Yeah.
Elevator? Yes.
That's it?
Whoa.
What did you say?
Are we in Binondo?
Binondo Tarlac?
Yes. Yeah.
Say hi to all of your fans there.
Oh, that's me.
Is that you? I don't think so. Well, think so. Think so. Pizza.
I like to take a picture, but you take a picture na lang.
This is Shengwan Station.
We're here now at the underpass.
MRT
Tong.
MRT Carieta Station.
Gusto mo nung kumiliyang ha?
Hasha.
Tosa. Tosa.
Hasha.
Nandiyan na lang tayo. Turn around. How about your tits? Can you show us your tits?
I don't have tits. Here, your tits. No.
Your tits!
The other tits. Dami. Tits. Oh, I thought it's tits.
Count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on.
This card is very powerful. It can make our lives better. Look at Thea. Does she look better?
We can make Thea's nose better using this card.
We can even
How?
make her ass.
How?
We can make her ass.
into four by slicing.
Before eyes. Into four ass. Four fucking ass.
By slicing.
Itching fucking ass. Baka hindi naman nagmamadali. Sa kanan po tayo, kaya nila. According to Kuya Kim.
I really like it.
Like 4, 3, 2.
Yung puno ta.
Sure.
How are you feeling right now? Are you excited?
I'm excited. What's your question again? Come again? Please come again. Come again.
Is this an airport? Bye-bye, Laika. Thank you sa pagdating sa amin. Nagmamadali, Laika. Go, go, go. Have a seat. Have a seat. Welcome to Central Station. At dito po tayo, antayin na natin sila magpara dahil iinom na tayo.
Yes, that's right.
all alone in my room.
Ito ang panahon kung saan nagdadalawang isip na si Cristina Puente kung mananatili ba siyang isang PS banker o isang tambay sa bahay ng isang buwan lamang. Ano nga ba ang magiging desisyon ni Cristina Munar Puente?
To resign or not to resign?
Yan po ang katanungang aming ibinibigay sa inyong lahat. Kung gusto niyo pong mag-resign si Cristina Munar Puente, text lamang ang Shungwan.
For yes.
For yes.
Chungwan 5
For
for
no.
no. And send to 2366
236
for Globe and Touch Mobile.
For this phone to ring, she'll come home someday soon.
Are we lost?
Wala bang ano dito? Ang hirap naman ito.
Go Laika! Masasaksihan natin kung gaano kagaling ngayon si Laika sa pagtaas sa hagdang ito. Dala-dala ang kanyang maleta. Cheer po natin si Laika.
Ano ka ba?
Go Laika!
Nadala ko nga yun sa
Go,
airport
Laika.
eh.
Congratulations Laika Narte! Nakapasa ka sa pagsubok na ito sa Hong Kong Challenge 101.
Ba't mo nakasabi? Magtatanong ka.
Saan tayo magtatanong, Ining? Maaari mo
Sa
ba kami
nanay ko.
turuan?
Oh, what? Dali.
Are we in Hong Kong?
Yes, welcome to Hong Kong. Hong Kong Garden. Mga,
Station. Ice cream.
mga kondom.
Right, turn off the lights. We gonna lose our minds tonight. What's the dealio?
Ang pinuslit ni Jeff. Alam nyo ba ginamit ko yan sa kilikili ko?